Hello. Today we are going to discuss about literals. In the last class we have discussed about tokens. Tokens are fundamental building blocks and it can be mainly classified into 5. Keywords, literals, identifiers, punctuators and operators. Last class we have discussed about keywords. And here we are going to discuss about literals. Literals are tokens that represents data items that will never change its value. That is why it is known as a constant. There are mainly 4 types of literals: integer literal, floating literal, character literal and string literal. Let us discuss it one by one. The first one is integer literal. Integer literals are numbers which consist of at least one digit and there does not exist a decimal point. It can be a positive or a negative number. It may have a sign. A number without a sign is considered as a positive integer literal, which does not change its value during the program execution. And one more rule is there: no other characters except digits can be considered as an integer literal. There you have 2 examples, 60 and minus 345. 60 is considered as a positive number and minus 345 is considered as a negative integer literal. So got it? What is an integer literal? Integer literals are literals which does not change its value and consist of at least one digit without a decimal value. Next we have floating point literals. Floating point literals are literals which is also known as real constants which are having fractional part. That is, it consists of decimal values. It can be a positive or a negative number. Similar to integer literals, a number without a sign is considered as a positive floating point literal. And no other characters are allowed for floating point numbers except numbers. Here you have 3 examples, and can you see a number 0.234 E3? It is represented as exponent value. Next we have character constant. Character constants are constants which are enclosed. A single value is enclosed within a single quotes and it will never change its value during program execution. It can be a number, it can be a symbol, it can be a character. But there will be only a single value. And there is a special case for character constant which is known as escape sequence that we will study it later. And the fourth constant is string constant or string literals. String literals are literals where we have multiple characters which are enclosed within a pair of double quotes. It can be a word, it can be a sentence, it can be a digit. So whatever enclosed within double quotes is known as a string constant. So that's all for today. Bye.